Hello and good morning to station Figueres. Here we will travel to the station Barcelona Sants in approximately 1 hour. Let's go! First of all, let's print the tickets with the number that RENFE gives us. Come on! In this trip we will catch a windy day that is called the Tramuntana, so there are some interruptions. Let's enter to the station to print the tickets. Here we have the number, so come on. Here we print the tickets. And we press the tickets. We have the number here. And here our train tickets, so we print it. We select all and we print. These are one of the results. It will go slowly, but doesn't matter. We have 6 tickets, we select the seat. And 5 tickets. And that's all. And then we'll go to catch the train. And now we will go to the platform 4, that is where we have our train. And here we have the photos with the Dalí, that it's the icon of the Figueres. It's a beautiful place with a lot of art. And here we have the slogan, Figueres, la ciutat de l'Empordà. So, come on! Here we have the platforms 3 and 5 that dirige our train. And we continue to the platforms 4 and 6. Come on. There is a little space between the two. And here we have our platform. Here the stairs, and here the elevator. I catch the stairs because we don't have any luggage. So let's go. And this is our train Albia Series 113. It's coupled, that there are 2 trains, but normally it's single with 10 cars. In this train we have 20 cars because we have 2. It's very beautiful. It has the name duck, that it's pato in Spanish, because if you can see it, they have the similar size. Okay, actually we'll go to our car, that it's the number 2, and we have the seats 7A, 7B and 7C. So let's go. Now we will enter to the car 17. It's tourist, but we will see the seats. If you can see, there's a configuration 2+2. We sit in one seat. If you can see, the size is very big, but it's not enough. Here there is a bin when you can put your bins. It's very comfortable, if you can see it. And here we have a TV where in the cities between Barcelona and Camp de Tarragona, Alacant and Castelló, the passengers can see a film, but us that we will travel between Figueres and Barcelona, we don't have films. And now we'll enter to the car 12. Here there are a little bit of publicity with the car RENFE, that when you will travel to this car, you will give some points, and these points can be a discount for the next travels. I don't have it because I'm lower than 16, but when I have it, I will catch. And here is service. We catch some food, drinks, and snacks with a recommended price. And this is a configured 2+1 that it's from Preferente, that it's the business class of Spain. Here we have 2 and 2 and 1, that it's very comfortable, so we will valorate it. First of all, it's very comfortable. It's very comfortable, as you can see. And here we have a space from the people have discapacity to walk, and it's a good travel because you can travel and sit on your wheels. So now we will go to our cartoon that it's as a car. And this is my seat is 7A. We have a table when you can put your drinks, snacks that you buy on the cafeteria, with air conditioner that in the summer it's recommended. And this is the station of Figueres that in approximately 10 minutes we will depart it. Here is the information of our train, that it's the car 12. We are at 8:58, that it's approximately 9 o'clock, and when the train starts, tell us the speed. Now it's 0, and the temperature, that it's 20, and also they change in some minutes that tells the train that it's 1101. So we'll go. And finally, this is the final station. It's Alacant. The train is departing, and fortunately, it's on time. In 1 minute, but it's on time. So bye bye, Figueres. In some hours, I will see you again. This is the station. It's more the platform that have 4 and 6, and here we have the destination, that it's Alacant. In approximately 15 minutes we will stay at Girona. Now we will change the rail. Here in the TV we can see a map of our trip with the time, the high speed, and the temperature. That actually is 21 degrees. Here it's more, and if you can see at the right, you can see our next station, that it's Girona, and the final station of this train, that it's Alacant, that for a tip arrives at 14:48. Here is the map of Spain. If you can see, is a large trip. And this is one girl that tells the the instructions, so you can see, you can hear it.
En la programación de hoy les ofreceremos contenidos de entretenimiento a través de las pantallas superiores. En el transcurso del viaje, la tripulación les ofrecerá el servicio de bar móvil por el que podrán adquirir bebidas y otros productos de restauración en sus asientos. Asimismo, les informamos de que este tren dispone de...
These are the views of Vilafant. It's a village next to Figueres.
De RENFE les desea un feliz viaje. RENFE els dona la benvinguda a bord d'aquest
This here is the famous rail, and it's the Mediterranean. What a good views, but more on the south are beautiful that I can record it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this train bound for during the journey.
If you can see, we're arriving at the station of Girona. Here there's the typical fields of Girona. Now there is a little mountain, but here we are at now we are at the tunnel of the Devesa. It's the main park of Girona. Here you can see the seats because the reflection isn't good. So in approximately 3 minutes, we will at Girona, and in 45 minutes at Barcelona. So next station, Girona. If you can see it, we're at the underground station of Girona. There isn't enough light, so you can see more the train than the station, but it's good. Here you can see that there are a lot of people that it's going to catch our train because we are on festival days and a lot of people go to Alicante. In this station we will stay approximately 2 minutes because there are a lot of people to catch the train. Now we will departing from Girona, from the station Girona, and it's beautiful. And here we have the typical fields of the Gironese, so you can see it. And if you want, we are at the station, we are near the village Fornells de la Selva. This is 200 kilometers per hour. Is the high speed of the Albia in this railway between Figueres and Barcelona. And this is the station of Massanet-Messenes. Now we are approaching to the province of Barcelona. If you can see it, the fields don't change between Barcelona and Girona, but also it's beautiful. This is the station or next station of La Sagrada Meridiana. There are a lot of years to build, but in so many years we can use it. Here are the views. Inside can cross from conventional trains. We will don't catch it.
Próxima estación, Barcelona Sants.
What a beautiful city, Barcelona, with some beautiful stations.
Por favor, no olviden sus objetos personales. Rogamos a quienes continúan viaje no bajen del tren durante la parada.
in approximately 2-3 years, this train, the AVE's high speed in between Figueres and Barcelona can cross. When we can cross it, we will record another video. And now we will arriving at the station of Barcelona Sants. Here is the train AVE Siemens Velaro 103. The destination is Madrid Porta Atocha. So let's go to the station. Now we will departing the train. The station is very crowded, if you can see it. If you can see it, we are at the platform 2. The train departs at 10:15. There's also a lot quiet, and the train will be crowded in the next stations. This is our train in Barcelona Sants. It's going to depart. In 2 minutes it's going to depart. Now it's going to depart, so we will see it. The station of Barcelona Sants. The train is going to depart, so we will record the departing. In quite seconds we'll depart, because all the doors are closed. We hear the sound that it's departing, and now it's departing. Bye bye EUROMED 1101, destination Alacant Terminal. If you can see the lights. And now we'll go into the station Barcelona Sants. We'll catch the elevator stairs and we'll see the beautiful station of Barcelona. For me, it's one of the most beautiful because have a lot of buildings. And here you can see in so seconds. Okay. Here you can see that it's a lot of people going to catch the AVE at 11 o'clock that I show you at the video. So let's go. In this trip we will catch a windy day. Today we will catch a windy day. That is the Tramuntana. So